Hi there, students. Lateral thinking. Lateral thinking. Okay, this is a way of thinking, a way of problem solving by thinking about the problem in non-traditional methods. It's trying to solve things in an original way, not using the expected methods, not thinking directly down the normal linear set of thoughts. So, for example, the question of Solomon and this baby and their two mothers who are arguing. Both of them say the baby's my baby. So Solomon says, well, easy, let's just cut the baby in half and you can have half each. And then he's going to make his decision based on their reaction. So the one who says no, no, no is the one who really is the mother. That is an example of lateral thinking. Or, for example, imagine you've got two chess players, and each of the chess players plays 5 games, and each of them wins 3 games. How is that possible? Well, the answer is they're not playing each other, they're playing other people. Okay, so with lateral thinking, check the assumptions that you're making. Keep an open mind. Use creativity. Be logical, but ask the right type of questions. So lateral thinking, it's a way of problem solving, using a creative approach, or by using logic that's not obvious. It's not using the traditional step-by-step logic. Now, this phrase lateral thinking was first used or first coined by the psychologist Edward de Bono in the late 60s. And lateral thinking, it's aimed at breaking current thinking patterns. It's based on the idea of thinking about things in different ways, and therefore maybe coming up with new solutions. So this is the idea of lateral thinking, using reasoned thought but in a non-standard, non-linear, logical way to find a solution to a problem. Yeah, you look at the problem from many different angles instead of just trying to deal with the problem head on from the beginning. You look at it from all sides, and that's a way to practice lateral thinking. Notice this word lateral, it goes round the sides. Instead of going straight on at the head of it, you look at all the sides and you decide where it's going to be easiest to resolve the problem. Yeah, it's using an indirect and creative approach. Yeah, looking at problems in new and unusual and different ways. And that's the point, is looking at things in different ways. It's like creative brainstorming. Generate ideas and then see where you can actually resolve the problem. Okay, so lateral thinking, a method of problem solving, of finding solutions to things by making unexpected connections, unusual connections between ideas, and solving it in a way that might be surprising. It's using your imagination. Yeah, lateral thinking is using your imagination. I think workers who have a capacity for lateral thinking are people at a premium. I think very often lateral thinking, it appears illogical, but it works. So yeah, imaginative lateral thinking is the way of doing it. I think maybe people who like crossword puzzles and things like that help people with, or are people who are good at lateral thinking. So this is thinking outside the box, improvising, heuristic problem solving. Yeah, just a creative approach to solving things. So, lateral thinking, formality. I think I'm going to give this a 5 in formality. I think you could use it absolutely anywhere. I think maybe I would classify it as a business word. So, origin. Well, yes, as I said, it came from this psychologist Edward de Bono in the 60s. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Lateral thinking.